Like post sah blog West Kasihel District. Kublai YP subscribers berkumju ya baro kat ki bayu I bat baik ya kanaka video. Te ha kanaka video ngadon ya ka banwan rasipi ha ka jadi bat ka post ka like. Te ka Government of Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society District Mission Management Unit West Kasihel ka lapan mi ya ka advertisement ha ka bayade bat ketika post ke kantor terbenai April arajar arpunrio dengan pulih ya ketika advertisement di Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society MSR-LS District Mission Management Unit West Kasihel invite application from a qualified and interested candidate from the position of integrated farming cluster IFC Anchor at the MKSP block as detailed below. Ketika office ka khot application ya ki qualify candidate badi ki interest candidate ban apply ya ketika post. Te ki candidate kidon kam ban submit ya ki application da ka baki penonkam ya ka standard application form. Te ka educational qualification kan long should have a degree or diploma in agriculture or allied science, or a person having a BSc degree with relevant work experience in agriculture marketing may be considered. Kita qualification ban apply ya ketika post. Last date ban submit ya ketika application kan long haka praterik banai me arajar arpunreo. The candidate can submit ya ki application form ringkat bagi dokumen baru hapo ka office jong ka District Mission Management Unit West Kasihel District DC Office Room Number Lais pa UAE. Kani ka post kadai ka post contractual basis. Tiga kerteng jong ka post kadai ka integrated farming cluster IFC Anchor kapos ke balai kawai nang ta ka kadai ha motion road MKSP block motion road ka jisiu ha ka bede buti ka post kan ar pun hajar ar spa san pau sipanai kan thu bat ka DA lene DA ti ki candidate ki badon ya kamon ban apply berkumjur ki balong eligible ha ka bede berkan ka post kila ban apply te tangkum ta ngin sia kendu ha ka wepat ka video ku play shibon